Are you a diabetic looking for a healthy morning drink? Or perhaps you're simply interested in a nutritious start to your day that also supports blood sugar control? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to introduce a perfect morning drink that's not only suitable for diabetics, but also for anyone who values health and well-being. Keeping your blood sugar levels balanced is vital, and the right diet can make all the difference. Stay tuned as we delve into a simple recipe for a morning drink that is not only refreshing, but also beneficial for your health. To kickstart your morning with this health-boosting drink, you will need a few simple ingredients. First, we have cinnamon. This spice is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. It's known to help reduce blood sugar levels and has a beneficial effect on type 2 diabetes. Next up is lemon, a citrus fruit packed with vitamin C. Not only does it boost your immune system, but it also aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Then we have apple cider vinegar, a common ingredient with uncommon benefits. It improves insulin sensitivity, lowers blood sugar responses after meals, and contributes to weight loss. Finally, we have chia seeds. These tiny seeds are high in fiber, which slows down the process of converting food into sugar. They also contain healthy omega-3 fatty acids that fight inflammation and enhance brain function. Now that we have our ingredients ready, we can move on to the preparation process. Making this morning drink is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's get started. First off, we're going to need a blender. This will help us mix all of our ingredients smoothly to create a delicious, healthy drink. Start off by adding 1 cup of water to the blender. This will be the base of our drink, and it's important to stay hydrated, especially in the morning. Now, let's add our first solid ingredient, half of an avocado. Avocados are packed with healthy fats and fiber, so don't be shy. Cut it in half, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh right into the blender. Next, bring in the green. We'll toss in 2 handfuls of fresh spinach. Spinach is loaded with vitamins and minerals, making it a superfood for diabetics. Let's not forget the blueberries, our next ingredient. Throw in half a cup of these antioxidant-rich gems. Our final ingredient is a spoonful of chia seeds. These little seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients and are known for their ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. Once all the ingredients are in the blender, secure the lid and blend until everything is smooth and creamy. If the drink is too thick for your liking, feel free to add a little more water until you reach your preferred consistency. Pour the drink into a glass, take a step back, and admire your creation. And there you have it. Your healthy morning drink is ready to enjoy. Let's quickly recap the key points about this morning drink. We've learned about a bevy of ingredients, all chosen for their unique health benefits. From the antioxidant-rich green tea and the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric, to the blood sugar stabilizing effects of cinnamon and the gut health boost from apple cider vinegar. And let's not forget the all-important chia seeds, a powerhouse of fiber that helps to slow down the digestion of carbohydrates. Not to mention the added zest of lemon, a vitamin C-rich citrus that aids in absorption of all these nutrients. The preparation process is as simple as combining these ingredients in a jar and letting them steep overnight. The result? A drink that not only tastes good but also helps manage blood sugar levels effectively. This drink is well suited not just for diabetics, but anyone looking to add a healthful kickstart to their day. Start your day with this refreshing drink for a healthy, balanced approach to managing your blood sugar levels. Here's to your health.